Minister of States, Defense Minister, COVID Defense Minister, na nation na boda munti, Environmental Minister, Ovi, say nipa we, ewu. And a nation, they say there cannot be any decent way to transport them.
For the nation.
And Ghana is mourning. Then say Defense Minister Omane Boamah and Environmental Minister Honorable Murtala Mohammed and 6 other people out for an and said after say Ghana Armed Forces helicopter crash here Obuasi. Now, say be na man for air train and some be na FIFA ba obeka nebusia FIFA do say ayoyo for the records and about life. The FIFA will go into details. We will go into details and mukra no wa train sem bia ba ma e fa Mahama ho. Ama even na Vice President as enya mesco aha Penyah block media. Mes was any demo. Obe like hit video no other ma subscribe button some be click notification connect latest updates na ba kira wa dwen dia mame. E wo comments as mes was obaso. No a video for so enya bi ahwe. Enti na program bi e ko so e wo oboase. I say na ni nyina fa galamsey ho omu ede another for tax force bi AC one ni nyina the fight against galamsey ho ene nan omu e launch e oboase na nka Mahama ene special guest of honor emu na Mahama gas we dey ontimi enko eti Mahama yinemu mpaboa e de hye Murtala Mohammed eti Murtala ekon one Omane Boamah oye defense minister ene some other people ene koye as the Fofi Antwata, a coba se omo helicopter motimuno, in fact, a crash.
Nipa 4, and then no.
Me video we no da. Me video about the Johnny Damin nyina dipa na ehye sa. Da
Movement.
Ama enipa 8 na omo ewo plane lo mu nyina kana na obi ato ananom e wanted ARS I hope say won say pilot no eye Peter Bafemi no wa wo ba je say ne ba no ewo 2 month old je say wa wo fra ne ba no peche 2 month old oja ne ba yi ho ato ananom e wanted ama Omane Boamah isikwa no odi ne maame bakro ebi nka ho bi ewia me ka kiro say enye we nkwa first time last year 19th March 2025 there was similar accident. Ghana Armed Forces plane crash here. Hey. I just feel like I'm going to come on.
Opila. Echiru. Oya je kwana so on film man na. Don't worry.
Seba me fam.
Now it is interesting for me to know say plane na a crash last year no. That same plane na a crash no. Because last a crash there not 14 members on board. Obia in fact plane no it means some kind of landing be it mean este etimi landing ye etobia eho anka but ene de fofi antoata omo nyina ewu knan di plane na last year enya accident no eno ana ene no akonya accident ma enipa ewu nyina de omo nyina off omo nyina ahye drobe ema eyewitness for no omo claim said de esi ye no omo yero mso be kire omo adwene ewo ho na after the incident no owe how esi kosesa the remains of Omane Boamah Murtala Muhammad ni omanu mumna it was araho ye kire omo no ma hye kokko botomu ni abo mpo na so kokko eso akuafo ni bi come on it's so pathetic na emu no ana Afrifa abamu bi na Afrifa I go deep Afrifa I go into details na yengo tese o kan nsem emra
dealing with as a nation to want to discuss any other national issue. Yes, they may be of importance, but it's not either NDC or MP, NDC or MP. Neither nor NDC and MP. It is about the human race, the people. It's in there, that's sorry, you know. Yantia Sempa. Obi, Yatuan, you say, helicopter be. I hear the Akoshiwo. Na, a dear, no, a dear woman. Nina no ani besam simabe de owona yenya antiese ne the gentleman Dr. Omane Boamah initially committee ye ne say Murtala Muhammad am so bitin Mutaka no say o brother Mutaka na say hey dabi afe eti akire na ebe yese yese wo boa sempotem wo mo koye galamsey hu eye forum ni ane galamsey maka misi mu a me kwa koye demonstration na mudi matem obi anya tem de no mudi me se me ka galamsey nsem ana o mo sere me se me stop galamsey ana yese ne o mo koka galamsey hu nsem e wo boase na helicopter a claiming astute gentleman of our land Jesus Christ Murtala Muhammad, Avradi Nyame, almost belonging to the NDC. Dr. Omane Boamah, fine gentleman, belonging to the NDC. It means nothing. Exactly. The identity is human being first before any political party. Exactly. So, and as a gentleman, we are because aeroplane, our money to Kwanya Kono, Akoshiwo. Nanyo munkwa wamone eye fufuru bia edani fa we to sini ahwe nipa no a afri mu no so Dr. Eduardo Awurade Nyankopon mekra Alhaji eye Muniru Mohammed Dr. Samuel Sapon Dr. Samuel Sapon Daddy Lumba wu ye ya Anna menene chatting. That was somewhere last week. And was sending me videos. I should say na that Lumba ye or no Dr. Samuel Sapono ni school akola ni student. It's no radio job secondary. Just a year last week. Meneno chatting go bi. Menene chatting. Dr. Samuel Sapon. And what the video we any pictures on that Lumba. Actually just last week picture on it one on a tea ana machi de deni ana that lumbani ana on Sunday me say that lumbai was a student just last week yawo exactly Samuel Sapon Jesus Christ Samuel Sapon aeroplane a o motina mu no helicopter no akohwewo young man Mr. Samuel Abuaje ono so ka ho woko squadron leader Peter eye Bafemi Anala Flying Officer Chum Ampedu Sergeant Ernest Ado Sani Pawe Akababy Adiene Kuwomo helicopter Wobi na emu ya forget about the political party they belong to and country and none can who be man kwa yaduma wa XYZ. Na me madwene mu no. Aka me change narrative. Say, si eto oman mu a, ye divide ye ho into two. So we ye NDC ni a, untimi nkwa yaduma ha. We ye MPP ni a, untimi nkwa yaduma ha. Me take side initiative. Me na me yere tena se ne susu ho. Me ka kire ndie ntia mbesa me yesa. Ewi a kire manfo no still a so monti ase. So long as I yaduma wa XYZ there. And ye NDC ni. Ya chaye mu govi Chemu. Ewa abra me koya adwuma XYZ. Me gina XYZ de me MPP card kyerɛ. Sɛ me MPP ni. Koya nso sesa me sine. Me acheyemu. Dr. Edward Omane Boamah okɔ. Sɛ no anim sɛ de obɛkɔ nnura na enu achi a na. Sɛ nko tena na konyam so obeso manfo a. Kodon kwa no de beso mo. Sɛ na Murtala Muhammad, fine gentleman, nice. Why a very nice and handsome gentleman. Murtala. Sɛ no anim so tena na konyam a obɛkɔ na. Akotana na kunyam as minister. Enipa so mo nko na kebehia. Precisely so. Ɛno awai. Gone. Dr. Samuel Sapon. Sɛ no anim sɛ nne no obɛkɔ a. Ankotena na kunyam so osum nipa. Anka nipa nko a ne hia no. Enso ada san refi ho ntem. Ayo hene. Ti adan kura na ye retimi fie ho na tete abas kosem na kyerɛ ye. Sada san ne nsa hwie ogobi. Ayo hene. Ye di katachie no atem. Katachie ade be kyeram kɔ. Aba mono te, dada te. Me ba ye mekɔ chi no mekɔ ne o me wu am ye okay. We dia na anu wo mo ye na bai papa bi. Wono nso ye se. Ye me yire na nkyere nipa wu. Ah me wu no me wu chi no ye se ha, janse mu no akeka no. Woni ma wo nkola pepe wo be ye me wu no me wu chi no aise hokɔ na akwa na ho abaham me no nyina na etra ha woni nanti a wo hwɛ nkola ne nyina me nyina nwie ya nkɔ you make me sure say me yire mo keka nsɛm hu sɛ ɛne ɛwɔ yɛ ne ade wo bɛhwɛ nkola no nyasa be shiran kai ruade me tra cha fine me man tra nche na mkonso na nkola no ntimi ntrade machi me ben kwasesem me tra che ene momom paye why baby a me nam no we ye ni ade no chesa de me ye bia yo wu adwuma ayo hene nkwanoma abobonua de me ye bia wu adwuma wu so kra Danny for pictures no so sad the situation but just so you people will know Danny for the site na me ba be customer for site no baby the first me call no e o mu say Dr. Omane Boamah wu ya o say why bakro ne ma me wo ne bakro oni ba bia bio be man ko ba ba so abusuani mu no enu okọ ono de ye plane crash na plane no ko ye den ehwe ho ye ni ade no e sa pese ye dan ne politics no kura monka mu de bibia ye politics nti Akufo ado ye ana o si plane na nya yi ni ade ye nyina ye ka bi your mama ye serewa plane to foforo ate emfa ni wo no amode ka Akufo ado de no to foforo if so we be boka e wa ye ho a chen plane na ye koto kokoto foforo koto ene ya me soboto your mama kotiska koto foforo ya e wo mu se mempo amamu odie e mo ewu odie me mo hima your mama mempo amamu koto na nso ewu odie empare ukura ewie wa mamu no na kwotena fie ubu ni ya ubehunu wa mu ni ya na wa filibi ya ma kwa ma mu ne enwu kina se de obebu amamu bi asa otena bi se de o mampani kufo bebu ni de woti mu no Akufo ado die se wonu so ya ma ni mu ne enwu kina Akufo ado yeso otena amamu no obebu ye ni obu ni ya obehunu wa mu ni ye nso obehunu yo mama sa na so second kami obi an wo hye death ma me wo hye death ma eti koto plane koto okuja trouble akwa mo fere ye ene o manim guase ye ana o mo ye ne se ne o mo de bibia ba politics enso ne ba bia du no enipa na da ho na ni fato nipa wo som ne mai ana da ho no wa she beyond recognition Bobby, was beyond recognition. Exactly. What you mean, anyway? Any power or some of mind, you're on a national assignment. Exactly. Now, this is where we find ourselves, and we play politics with virtually everything. Bobby, the home said Dr. Omane Boamah Murtala. The home said, you can't say, Murtala Muhammad Murtala. The home said Dr. Samuel Sapon Murtala. Nemo Dr. Samuel Sapon, Omane Boamah Murtala. Wamu nya yan 10 kola 15 no mu na no 16 fire kola 16 ewu bogu no wamu nya yan 10 wamu so ye Ghana fo wamu so ye nipa ni yatimi atena wiase na oman ya yatim obi en kola 16 ewu 16 ewu ewo bogu asantechi mbogu obi ebesi ne yentimi nya either president and now vice president ema ne nko ho enko kan kire ma me for election year nko mbeko na kajo mama na ye busy o mame mame batan na timi tina ho enko last 16 for our own negligence as a nation, our recklessness as a nation, not the two major cities of our country yentimi dualizing ema ye negligence enko last 16 ewu in a day obi yentimi anko pankola na mame no papa no acho sabre nkesa kajo mama anasa mame Drew power macho say as a nation we are sorry.
Exactly. So
we are sorry. See Yentimian creative rules, Papa. As a nation we are sorry. Say Yentimin dualize your roots. As a nation we are sorry.
fire.
Say Yentimian trasina in a day. 16 kids. Akwaye Omane Boamah and ye can wasem. Akwaye Murtala Muhammad and ye can wasem. Akoya Dr. Samuel Sapon ye kan wasa ekoye nkola maako maame baako ye se ne yamuma beefo ni nyina wi. A nation could not say sorry to such people. Besi ne wo yentimi nya President Mahama entimi nya maame e ma ne nko boguo enko hwe manfo nanim, and that is nation building. It is not all about bricks and mortar. And ye sit down ha yenye rose wa ha na mum sa some to manfo no a. How well do you connect with the people?
Exactly. So
more fire.
We should bow down our heads in shame as a nation. Say it to me at now. Then call 15. Obekaya President Mahama first term. Me catch am say President Mahama share den sua bibia. President Mahama first term ne eto man mu a. Asante mampon. Oba bi da sorry ye. Na ni fie ahye. Na ikunu ne maba miensa. Ne kunu ne maame. Ene ono ane maame ne papa. Me, some leader of the nation. I can make if the kind of trauma this person will live with, that person can never love our nation. To question and impanachow said the nation is sorry. See Intimenia a year fire service ye. Now to me lose who a bush in a day. That is what leadership is about. And you know, and last 16. Yenya will be a manenko. Kumasi Accra main route. Uncle you was so and said and Shadani asem. And I mean, Danny, young Konako Kumasi Accra main route. Yes, sir, but now I'm a fufrew. This time around, maybe an young 16. So I say, when you acquire on Omane Boamah, acquire Murtala, acquire Dr. Sapon, and no more come wasem. Also, Moka wasem. Also, Moka wasem. You must have come in road na you. And if a drone shot in the for drone shots, no almost shed you must have come in road. Or my team. Because you are
a country called Ghana.
the two major cities. Afi enyi asum here. Ye here minister of roads and transport, roads and highways and debe. And so koye speed lane. What by kinda why ye nyiwi. Ompe ho asem bi ni. If say we ne de agya te ho emekwa wie. We ne 10% ye de wie. Eti ne sadia okoye speed lane. Ne anya kwan papa wie ye koye speed lane. My dwene ne ya na tete sei. If say speed lane no, and na mbanya kakra sa atafre wo. The two major cities. Ovianra, you do Dobro Yao. I would free Dobro Bapokuasia. Any Kwase do 5 minutes. Maximum. The Kwanadaswa. I do 3 minutes. From Dobro to Pukwasi. We spend 1 hour 36 minutes. Omaya Yabo Badam. Near minimum for the home. Yeah, time will be a war road in Death trap. Obi sube woso. Obi be woso. Ana we nyame na mepe bone. Nemo mu dia ya ye no. In this country we don't die, we kill ourselves.
Precisely.
You creating sim hunu. We ombe mena da hwa 2028. Ya baba to aba ansani yesi ye kwa kutwa sodo. Because it's not about serving the people. They make capital out of the misery of the people. And I keep telling the people and the people don't understand. And I become their enemy. I am the one that becomes their enemy. The people that are supposed to be their enemy. The people don't even understand why they are the enemy.
More fire.
Dek. Kumasi Accra main road no. You better try many pewu. Muncha video into Menya prophet of doom. Me se montwa video we nto. Obi be wu anche bia. Na we no enhyiran ka awurade. Me bompa ye se enye the usual Ghanaian. Watch it. Some say monye. Dr. Omane Boamah. Make a galamse won some near dimatem. And also firm fee most of and on this note, galamse must stop.
Exactly.
And so mine any brew or galamse fight. A very sad situation.
Extremely sad.
Very sad situation. I was your Omane I chichireno. And then I Dr. Omane Boamah and then I some more support. They are the everyday Ghanaian almost surely who through this tragic death. Now dear yam one me cry ya. So mention the scenes of a year Dr. Omane Boamah, a minister of defense. Danny Fasino Kawe come in fanchere. Number 7 show how Omane abort them. Sometimes you guys have to forgive me. I speak this way just so you know how I feel about the sentiment I have about Kofi said me Afrifa and mewu and I'm through such tragic and I'm mobile the same way. Minister of States, defense minister, Kofi defense minister. Na nation na bodamunti. Na ye wo home media houses. Ekura at the camera siso.
Jesus Christ.
Defense minister. Defense. Environmental minister. Ovi. Say nipa we ewu. And a nation they say there cannot be any decent way to transport them.
For the nation.
Yedoma gudi koko bottom. What nation is this? Minister of State on a national assignment. And a nation is a decent way in the full. So security, me and call this area home. I'm media and stay out. I'm young zip lock. Come ebi. Answer so much. I'm a decent people. I'm a career move. Farmers in any number of and Yasua Funu a Cocoa bottom. Will be our 70 nation. Cocoa bottom near NATO. What nation is this? What kind of nation is this? So how will anybody have love for the nation? Minister of Defense. Yanya soldier for mama alcohol. Yanya decent way be a former good ziplock bag him. A cleaning woman who ye. Danny, what nation is this?
More fire.
And ye debano. Ye jaima will be a video. We so jani and we jino no video. Civilian Aswa. Minister of Defense. Minister of Defense. The boss in the world. And there was no decent way. I had transported Minister of Defense. Yes, he had the two bottom, cocoa bottom. Such a shame. We should bow down our heads in shame as a state, as a nation. We don't qualify to be called a nation. We don't have what it takes to be called a nation. No decency in treating the people that gives their life for a nation. No decency. Decency. Now we man fortress adiwe. Akolaba na bepe so de do ebe so moman. The Home Minister of State. Yetikroma, Emma former Vice President. Obewu, pick up a chin and twin former Vice President. Know me in a person, former Vice President. Pick up a chin. Yetikroma, Emma whole sitting president. We were bra young radio quite so a smuggle president. How dare you as a nation? What nation is this? Are we mad? What kind of disrespect is this? And look at the military guys. By now, the military have ransacked according the whole area with decency, with respect. What nation is this? If I am supposed to be the president of the republic, whoever allowed this thing to happen, I will sack you the next day. Because you don't understand what nation building is. You don't understand what the pride of a nation is. Cocoa bottle. And you do more consume or minor. No mania tragic death. You do more goom. Are we mad? What nation is this?
Bend them up.
Obi, General, what nation is this?
Pathetic.
Pathetic.
Omane
Serious.
Koko Moto.
Defense minister.
And the defense minister. And a Sukuyani.
Very serious. Or don't beg and the department.
This is
What
serious. A country.
This is serious. Oh, this is serious.
Extremely shameful.
Oh. Nipari here reorientation.
Exactly.
So,
Yeah, America ni be kun huama America because when it's in a battlefield na owu a the kind of decoration ya be ya no eye wa kono kra sa obeso mo man
Dignity.
you die with dignity.
Exactly. So
tell them.
How dignifying is this scenes that we are having, and we have the whole media capturing this nonsense. So this is the footage that the international media will have.
Yes.
International media na benya footage, you know. Now your defense minister who ye dey bottom we answer for the energy bottom line. No decency,
exactly.
no dignity.
Precisely.
The people that serve woman nation we go view man we near kuma kai.
So any somewhere free for the records, and then they are dedicating the show just to mourn, you know, Omane Boamah Murtala Mohammed. Ubet ma chere wa jene amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Media. Accra.